today we're gonna go over how to do a proper body squat. So this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, and so on. So when we break that down, the benefits of our exercise is going to be building strength through our lower body, specifically targeting our hamstrings, our glutes, and our quadriceps. So the way we set up is we bring the feet slightly wider than the hips, toes slightly pointed out, and from here the elbows are in nice and tight to lift the chest and engage the abs. The hips sit back and down as the knees come wide and forward, and our elbows come towards the front of the knees. As we stand up, stacking our hips under the shoulders, strong through the abs, nice big squeeze through our glutes. So from the side, all the way down, all the way up. We have a couple different progression or regression strategies here. One is going to be based on speed. So the faster I perform my squats, the more heart and lung fitness we get, so overall conditioning of the body. 2 is going to be based on our range or how low we can go. So if I come here, this is going to be challenging, but if I come here, I'm going to get even more out of my legs, and that's going to make me a whole lot fitter, a whole lot faster. So depth is the name of the game. Our common fault here is as we become lower in our squat, we want to make sure that the back stays nice and straight. So if you can't come any lower without the shoulders starting to curl forward, causing excessive lumbar flexion, only go as low as you can while maintaining a nice, strong, long spine and a flat back. And then as we stand up, solid at the top. The other big common fault here is as people squat, they tend to bring their elbows to their thighs. And now it is physically impossible for me to get any lower in my squat. So by bringing our elbows towards the front of the legs, we can get that full range of motion and the full benefits of the work we're putting in. That is your body squat. Enjoy.